We have the new Alpine A290 GT Hot Hatch kicking off the brand's all-new electric transformation. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Alpine Cure arrives on the Renault 5. The French compact becomes an electric hot hatch with up to 218 horsepower and lots of character in the bodywork and interiors. The launch of the A290 is expected at the end of 2024 this year, while prices have not yet been announced, although it is possible that the starting price list will be higher than the current 32,900 euros for Renault. Now, the look of the A290 is characterized by eye-catching X-shaped lights reminiscent of rally cars. The headlights automatically start a welcome sequence when you approach the hands-free key card, while the bodywork has been widened by 60 millimeters, now with the width of 1.82 meters by adding black elements in the wheel arches. Now, furthermore, the sportier bumpers have increased the overall length to 3.99 meters versus the Renault 5's 3.92 meters. Now, at standard, you'll find 19-inch wheels on Michelin tires developed specifically for this car and combined with a Brembo braking system with red or blue calipers, depending on the customer's taste. Now, as in the R5, the cabin features a 10.25 digital instrument cluster and a 10.1 central display tilted slightly towards the driver. Overall, however, the feeling on board of the Alpine is that of a true sports car, with a Napa leather steering wheel cut in the lower part and a white element at 12 o'clock, typical of high-performance cars. Now, among other things, on the right spoke, there is the OV button, which increases the power for approximately 10 seconds. Now, at the bottom, however, you can select the driving mode, choosing between Save, Normal, Sport, and Perso mode, which is personalization settings. Now, even more care is reserved for the white and blue leather upholstery, while the gear selector is different from that of the Renault 5 and is characterized by 4 controls in the central tunnel. The instrument display has been completely revised, for example, a series of values such as G-force or lap time. Now, one detail that will interest electric car enthusiasts is the temperature information that can be viewed on the touchscreen. The information includes battery temperatures of interest during charging and sporty driving. You can also get an estimate of brake temperatures. Now, like the Renault 5 E-Tech Electric, the Alpine A290 is based on the AMP-R small platform, formerly known as the CMF BEV. The Alpine is available in 2 power variants, both front-wheel drive, offering 178 horsepower or 218 respectively. Now, it should be noted that the motors are not enhanced versions of those present on the Renault 5, but variants derived from the Megane E-Tech Electric. Now, the 52 kilowatt battery provides a claimed range of 380 kilometers on the WLTP mixed cycle, while the 0 to 100 kilometer time is 6.4 seconds in the most powerful model. Now, charging takes place with a direct current of up to 100 kilowatts, with the possibility of going from 15 to 80% in about 30 minutes, while with alternating current, it reaches 11 kilowatts, although an onboard charger of 22 kilowatts will be supplied as an option. Now, as mentioned, prices for the Alpine 290 have not been yet finalized. However, the French company has pointed out that the price list will consist of 4 versions. The basic GT version is only available for the 178 horsepower motor, followed by the GT Premium at 178 horsepower and the GT Performance 218 horsepower only. Now, the top of the range is represented by the 218 horsepower GTS. But first, the Premier Edition is scheduled for market launch in 3 color variants for a total of 1,955 units expected, a number that recalls the year Alpine was founded. Now, the basic version comes as standard with a heat pump, 19-inch aluminum wheels with Michelin tires, LED headlights, adaptive cruise control, heated sports seats with fabric upholstery, Napa leather sports steering wheel, navigation system with route planning and wireless smartphone integration via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, front and rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera. Now, the GT Premium adds the black roof, tinted windows, and blue brake calipers, Napa leather trim, the unveiled audio system, steering wheel heated, and inductive charging for smartphones. Now, the GT Performance, however, offers specific tires, red brake calipers, black Alpine writing on the wheel arches, electronically folding exterior mirrors, and Alpine telemetry. Finally, the top-of-the-line GTS version combines the best of the 2 GT equipment packages and also includes details such as the black snowflake wheels, Alpine lettering embossed in the leather headrest, and the A290 model name embroidered in the backrest. So with that said, what are you guys thinking about Alpine's new electric era with the A290? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure you guys check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. Subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.